Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm organizing my 12 by 12 paper collections that I recently purchased. I do have a recent haul video. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. I also have scrapbook organizational videos as well, and I have a couple more coming up, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification so you guys will be notified, okay? I am rearranging and moving things around again in my scrap room, I'm sorry. So I purchased these 12 by 12 paper organizers from scrapbook.com. I chose the color pink, and I do believe they have a couple of colors available. You do get 5 in a pack, and this is how they look like. And that's the closing part right there, okay? So when I put my paper collections in here, they're not staying closed. So these are meant for single sheets, and you can probably fit around 15. I don't know if you can fit 20 in here and they'll stay closed. So that's my issue, is that these folders are not staying closed like the way they're supposed to. So I'm going to add snaps to these just so I can use them for my paper collections. So my paper collection's in here now, and make sure you put it in there really good. Make sure everything's in there. You see what I mean by the, it's not going to reach in there and close tightly, okay? It's not going to happen because it's bulky. So I'm going to add my snap on there so it can close nicely. Okay, so once you have your paper collection in here and you know where you want you to add your snap, you kind of want to grab a pokey tool or something and mark the area where you want your snaps to go. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Just going to eye it a little bit, make sure it's kind of centered. Doesn't have to be perfect. Let me get a piece of paper, something that way I can put underneath. Hold on, you guys. Okay. Let me add something on here, that way when I mark it, it won't ruin my paper. Okay, so I'm just going to eye it and just mark it. Okay, so there it is. So now I know where my snap is going to be. So I'm going to remove my paper collection, put it to the side, and now we're going to work with our snaps. So I purchased these snaps from Hobby Lobby, and these I've had for quite a bit of time, and that was when I purchased this tool from Amazon a long time ago, you guys. But they do have them available on Amazon or just looking up online. If I find a link, I will link it down below. So these snaps will be in the sewing department. So let's start by adding our snaps. Okay, and then we're going to find our first one, our first mark. And let me show you. You're going to need 2 of these right here. These look like nails. Okay, and then you're going to need one of the flat pieces. Okay, see how that's flat? And then you're going to need one of these pieces right here, and it has that little edge there sticking out. Okay, so you can see the difference. So you're going to need one of each. Okay, and 2 of the nail looking ones. Okay, so you're going to need those, and we're going to start with one of the nail looking ones and the flat piece. Okay, and we're going to add that to the top part. So you want to place this in your mark. Okay, put it in there, just like that. And then you're gonna get your other piece, and this part is gonna be, so it's gonna go like this, okay? So here's your top piece, and that's gonna be on the, oops, on the other side like that, okay? I hope I make sense, you guys. So that's gonna go right here on the other side. So just put it in there. Just snap it in place. And then you get your tool, and then you're gonna press it on there. I don't know the perfect way to use these. I think it's the other way. Hold on. Let me do this. Okay, so then you just press it on there really good. So that piece is on there. Okay. And then if you're not satisfied, you can give it another you can press it again, okay? So now we're going to do the other snap on this side. And this piece is going to go underneath. Okay, just put in there like that, underneath. And then you're going to grab your other piece, which is the little piece that's the top is going to snap on, okay? And it's going to go like this. Just like that. And then you're going to get your tool and you snap it in place. Okay. So now it snaps into place. Okay, so now it's ready to use. Okay. See how it snaps really good? So we know we're going to get a really nice closure there, okay? So let me add my collection again. Let me tuck everything really good in here. See? So now we have a really nice snap on there, and your collections will stay nice and secure in here. And then if you want to add more to the collection, you'll still have more room. So there it is. Let's do another one. Okay. Again, let me put this collection in here and mark our areas where we want our snap to be. Okay, so I'm going to grab my piece of chipboard and put it underneath, and then we're going to mark the area, and I'm happy with this right here. You don't want to do it on the edge because the plastic is really good. It's really good material, but you don't want to do it on the edge. So make sure you do it somewhere where it's not going to, I don't know how to explain it, you guys, but you know what I mean. Don't put it on the edge, okay? So I'm going to mark it right there. Remove my chipboard. And I'll remove my collection. And now let's add our snaps. For this one, I'm going to use different color. Let's use the darker pink. So I got 2 of my nail heads right here. And then I will get one of the flat pieces. Okay. And then I'm going to get the other piece that has that little outer edge on there. Okay, sticking out. There has to be a name for these. I don't know. I'm sorry. And one of those. Okay. So we're going to get our nail head. And then just place it in there. And we're going to get our flat piece. Okay, and place this side like that. Okay. We'll put it in like that. We're going to grab our tool here. And then just press. Okay. So that's how it looks like. Now we're going to grab our other piece. So here's our other nail head. I don't know why I'm calling it nail head, but that's how it looks. That's what it looks like to me. So, and hopefully I make sense, you guys. So let's just put it in there in our mark. And then we're going to grab our other little piece right here that has that little outer piece, and that's going to go like that. Grab our tool. So I'm using this this side for my nail head, the bigger piece. Stick it underneath, and then just squeeze it. Okay. See? Very simple, you guys, and I know a lot of you have these in your stash. And okay, so now let's add our collection again. Sometimes scrapbook.com has these on sale, but the prices are not bad, you guys. I think they're a good price and they're good quality. It's just that closing, I mean, for me the closing is not going to work, you know, just because I want to store a little bit more on these. But see, it stores just fine and it closes just fine. Okay. So I'm very happy with these. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.